Look at your bank statement from last month and find the fuel charges. Go ahead, add them up. That number probably stings more than you'd like to admit. And here's what makes it worse. A real chunk of that money didn't have to leave your account. You burned it, wasted it, handed it over because of habits nobody ever warned you about, and small tricks the people selling you that fuel would rather you never figured out. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. The gas station isn't on your side. The pump, the pricing, the time of day you fill up, even the way you press that nozzle, all of it is quietly working against your wallet. Most drivers pull in, fill up, and drive off having no idea they just paid more than they needed to, again, like they do every single week. Tonight, I'm going to fix that. 15 fuel-saving secrets counted down from 15 to number 1, and the closer we get to 1, the more money it puts back in your pocket on every single tank. Number 1 alone could save some drivers hundreds of dollars a year without any special gadget or gimmick. But don't skip ahead, because buried in this list is the one mistake almost everyone makes at the pump itself. A habit so common you probably did it the last time you filled up, and it could be quietly costing you fuel you already paid for. We'll get to it. Stay with me. Let's start the countdown. Number 15. Your gas cap is stealing from you in silence. Let's start with something almost nobody thinks about. That little cap you twist back on after filling up, if it's loose, cracked, or worn, it's letting fuel vapor escape into the air. And those vapors are fuel you already paid for, evaporating before your engine can ever burn it. A loose or failing gas cap is one of the most common reasons a check engine light flips on, and it quietly drags down your efficiency the whole time. The fix costs almost nothing. Make sure it clicks several times when you tighten it, and replace it if the seal looks tired. It's the cheapest fuel savings you'll ever find, and it leads right into the next thing hiding under your car. Number 14. Your tires are dragging your money down the road. Here's a number that should bother you. Underinflated tires can measurably cut your fuel economy, and most people are driving on tires that are at least a little soft without ever knowing it. Soft tires create more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder and burn more fuel just to keep you moving. Check your pressure at least once a month, and use the number on the sticker inside your driver's door, not the maximum stamped on the tire itself. Properly inflated tires don't just save fuel, they last longer and keep you safer. But tire pressure is just one piece of a bigger problem, and the next secret is about something you're carrying that you don't even need. Number 13. You're hauling a trunk full of wasted fuel. Open your trunk right now, and I'd bet you'll find things that have been living in there for months. Sports gear, tools, boxes, sandbags you forgot to take out after winter. Every extra pound your car carries forces the engine to work harder, and that extra effort burns extra fuel on every trip. It's simple physics. More weight means more energy to move it. Clearing out the junk you don't need is free, takes 5 minutes, and gives you back efficiency immediately. And while we're talking about drag on your car, the next one happens at highway speed, and almost nobody connects the dots. Number 12. Your windows and roof racks are fighting the air. At higher speeds, your biggest enemy isn't the engine, it's the air pushing against your car. Driving on the highway with the windows down creates drag, like sticking your hand out the window and feeling it get shoved back. That resistance makes the engine work harder. And that empty roof rack or cargo box you never took off? It's acting like a sail, ruining your aerodynamics every mile you drive. At highway speeds, use the air conditioning instead of open windows and pull off those roof accessories when you're not using them. Small changes in how your car cuts through the air add up fast. But the next secret is about something you do with your right foot every single day. Number 11. Your driving style is burning fuel for no reason. Be honest with yourself here. Do you race up to red lights just to slam on the brakes? Do you stomp the gas the second the light turns green? That aggressive stop-and-go driving is one of the fastest ways to torch your fuel economy, sometimes dramatically. Every hard acceleration dumps fuel into the engine, and every hard brake throws away the momentum you just paid for. Smooth, gentle acceleration and easing off early when you see a stop ahead can save a surprising amount over time. Think of it as driving with a raw egg under your foot. And that smoothness matters even more on the highway, which brings us to the next one. Number 10. Your speed on the highway has a sweet spot you're blowing past. Most cars have a range where they run most efficiently, and once you push past it, your fuel economy falls off a cliff. Beyond that sweet spot, the faster you go, the more fuel you burn for every mile, because wind resistance climbs steeply the faster you drive. That means flooring it down the freeway to save a few minutes can cost you a shocking amount of extra fuel and money. Easing off even a little on the highway can noticeably stretch your tank. And the best tool to help you hold a steady, efficient pace is one your car probably already has, which is the next secret. Number 9. You're ignoring the button that saves fuel for you. A lot of drivers never touch their cruise control except on long road trips. But on any flat, open stretch of highway, cruise control keeps your speed steady, and steady speed is efficient speed. Constantly creeping up and slowing down, even without realizing it, wastes fuel. By letting the car hold one consistent pace, you avoid the little surges of acceleration that drain your tank. Use it whenever the road is flat and clear. But here's where people get it wrong. Cruise control on hills can actually hurt you, because the car fights to maintain speed going uphill. Use it on the flats, ease off on the climbs. And speaking of your engine working when it shouldn't, the next one happens while you're not even moving. Number 8. You're burning fuel going absolutely nowhere. Think about how much time your engine spends running while the car is parked. Warming it up for several minutes on a cold morning. Sitting in a long drive-through line. Idling in the driveway while you finish a phone call. All of that is fuel burning to move you exactly 0 distance. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups. They warm up faster while gently driving. If you're going to sit still for more than a minute or so, and it's safe to do it, switching the engine off saves more than you'd think. Idling is the definition of paying for nothing. Now we're into the top of the list, and these next secrets are where the real money lives. Number 7. The time of day you fill up actually matters. Here's one that sounds like a myth, but has real logic behind it. Fuel is denser when it's cold. Since the pump measures volume, not energy, filling up early in the morning or late at night, when the ground and the fuel are coolest, can mean you get slightly more actual fuel for the same money than filling up in the blazing afternoon heat. The effect is small on a single fill-up, but multiply it across every tank every week all year long and it adds up. Make the cool hours your default fill-up time. And the timing of your week matters too, which is the next secret. Number 6. Prices swing on a predictable weekly rhythm. Gas prices aren't random. They tend to climb heading into the weekend, when stations know everyone's traveling, and they often dip in the middle of the week. Filling up on the wrong day means paying a premium just because of the calendar. Pay attention to the pattern in your area for a few weeks, and you'll start to see it. Certain days are consistently cheaper than others. Plan your fill-ups around the cheap days instead of waiting until your tank is on empty and being forced to pay whatever they're charging. And how you find those prices is the next secret. Number 5. You're paying more because you're not shopping around. Most people fill up at the same station out of pure habit, or grab fuel at the first place they see when the gauge gets low. But prices can vary significantly between stations just a few minutes apart, and that convenience habit costs you every time. Free apps now show you real-time fuel prices at stations all around you. A quick check before you fill up can point you to a cheaper option you drive past without noticing. The catch: don't drive far out of your way chasing a tiny discount, because you'll burn the savings getting there. Smart shopping beats blind loyalty. And the next secret is about the fuel itself. Number 4. You're probably buying the wrong grade of gas. Here's where stations love to upsell you. Premium fuel sits there looking superior, and plenty of drivers buy it thinking they're treating their car to something better. But the truth is, most vehicles are designed to run perfectly on regular, and pouring premium into them gives you no benefit at all. You're just paying extra for nothing. Check your owner's manual. Unless your car specifically requires premium, regular is exactly what your engine wants. That single change can save you real money on every fill-up with 0 downside. But there's an even sneakier money waster at the pump, and it's the mistake I warned you about at the start. Number 3. The way you pump is costing you fuel you paid for. Here it is. the habit almost everyone gets wrong. When the pump clicks off automatically, that's it. That's your signal to stop. But so many people keep squeezing, trying to round up to a clean dollar amount or top it off just a little more. That topping off habit can force fuel into places it shouldn't go. And on many vehicles, it gets sucked back into the station's vapor recovery system, meaning you pay for fuel that never even makes it into your tank. You're literally buying gas and giving it right back. Let the pump click off and walk away. And overfilling ties directly into the bigger picture of engine health, which is the next secret. Number 2, a neglected engine is quietly draining your tank. Everything we've talked about means little if your car itself is running rough. A clogged air filter, worn spark plugs, old oil, or a dirty fuel system all force your engine to work harder and burn more fuel to do the same job. And these problems creep up so slowly you don't notice. You just slowly start paying more without knowing why. Keeping up with basic maintenance, using the right grade of oil, and not ignoring that check engine light keeps your engine running efficiently. A well-maintained car can be noticeably more fuel efficient than the same car neglected. Maintenance isn't an expense, it's one of the best fuel investments you can make. And that leads us, finally, to number 1. Number 1, your trips are disorganized, and that's the biggest leak of all. Here's the truth underneath everything else. The single biggest way most people waste fuel isn't one bad habit at the pump. It's driving way more than they need to. Taking 5 separate trips during the week when they could have been combined into one. Hitting every red light because of bad timing. Sitting in rush hour traffic burning fuel by the gallon. Driving across town for something available nearby. The fix is to think before you drive. Combine your errands into a single loop so your engine stays warm and efficient, instead of cold starting over and over. Plan your route to avoid the worst traffic and the most stops. Ask whether a trip is even necessary, or whether it can wait and be bundled with the next one. A cold engine driven on scattered, badly timed trips is the most expensive way to drive there is. This one habit, driving with intention instead of just reacting, ties every other secret together. Combine your trips, time them well, keep the car maintained, fill up smart, and drive smooth. Do that and you stop being the driver who hands money to the gas station every week without thinking. So here's what to do before your next fill-up. Check your tire pressure and your gas cap. Clean out your trunk. Pull off that empty roof rack. Use an app to find the cheapest station on the cheapest day, fill up in the cool hours, and buy the right grade. Let the pump click off and stop there. Drive smooth, use cruise on the flats, and combine your trips into one efficient loop. That fuel charge that's been stinging your bank statement every month? Now you know exactly where the leaks were, and exactly how to plug every one of them. The gas station was counting on you not knowing. Not anymore.